Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Athena wig by Margu in the color 7H. So before I get ahead of myself, let me talk about the color real quick. I'm going to zoom in on this. 7H has a lot going on. It is one of their more dynamic colors, and it's not at all what you would think. It's sort of a medium brown base that has a caramel brown highlight on top, so you can see some of that auburn in there, definitely from that caramel. It's also got a little bit of ash brown in there, so it's like a golden brown, an ash brown, and a caramel brown, all sort of mishmash together to make one really interesting dynamic color. So it's a really pretty one. So Athena is really luscious. She's got all of these beautiful sleek layers. Doesn't have a ton of hair density, so if you're in the market for a wig that isn't super thick and poofy, this one's great. She's got a mono top, so that really helps keep the volume down as well. She's only 3.75 ounces. The bang is 6 inches. The nape is 9 inches, so this is firmly like a mid-length wig. And the overall length from the top to the bottom is about 15 inches. So let me show you what Athena looks like on all sides. She's got all this layering around the face, as well as these bangs, these beautiful bangs that are meant to be swept off to the side, but would look particularly cute if you got them cut so they're a little shorter. But I just love the way that the hair at the bottom here just sort of cups the neck. And unlike a lot of cuts like this, because of the light hair density, I find this one very flattering on me. Whereas some of the wigs that, you know, kind of cup the face like this tend to poof out right here at the mid face. That's not always very flattering on people who have big faces, but I really like this one. It's very, very pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take this one off so I can show you the cap construction. Athena has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top, also has a lace front that I'll show you when I put the wig back on. There is also a band of felt in between the mono top and the rest of the wig. She's open wefted on the sides and in the back. And there is an extended nape with a little band of felt here and Velcro adjusters. And we do have felt here on the ear tabs. I'm going to go ahead and shake this one up a little bit. Maybe repart her so I can show you the mono features. Here is that mono top. Very, very nice mono top on this one. This is not a rooted color, so you can see it all in all its glory right there. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on now. Yeah, I love this wig. This one and the Kendall were probably my two favorites from the Margu Fall 2016 collection. Just really, really pretty wigs. So again, this has been the Athena in the color 7H, which is a really popular color because it's got so much going on and it all just kind of works. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. If you get a minute, you get kind of bored or something at work, I don't know, maybe check out my wig store if you get a chance. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.